So it's September and so many publications are open and currently accepting submissions from writers. So if you write poems, prose, fiction, or just blogs and articles, then I am certain that there's a publication out there looking for you to get your work, feature your work, and pay you for it. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So in this video, I have compiled a list of publications that are currently accepting writers. All right. So I have a list of that, and I'm just going to take you over to my computer screen. We'll look through the list together. If you find something that you like, then go ahead and apply, because most of these submissions are time sensitive, and the earlier the better. All right. So let's switch over to my computer and let me show you some of these submissions that I compiled. So you guys, we're getting started shortly, but before we proceed, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if this is something that interests you, you want to hit the subscribe button so that you continue to see all of my videos. All right. So without wasting time, let's head over to my computer screen. I have a lot to show you. So the first one we have on our list is this one from Writers of the Future. So this particular one is for fiction writers. You can see here the most enduring and influential contest in the history of sci-fi and fantasy. So this is fiction writing. Okay, so it's a contest and there are prizes. So you can see first, second, and third place winners get 1,750 and $500 respectively. Okay, so there are some rules, there are some guidelines. 17,000 words, no violence, certain things you should avoid. All right, yeah, and then there are plenty prizes, right? But the key thing I want to pick out here is that the deadline for this particular submission is on the 30th of September. So if you're seeing this, you don't have a lot of time. It's a quarterly it's a quarterly contest. So this one is the third quarter. The next one will be in December. So you need to take advantage of this one ASAP, right? Click here, enter the contest. Don't worry, I'll have a link to it so you can go and check out the link later on and act accordingly. All right, so this one is for fiction writers. So I'm going to be taking all the ones that have their deadline in September 1st, then I'll still add others after those ones, but those other ones are time sensitive, so I'll take them first. So that's the first one. The second one is hosted by Croydon Writers. Okay, so you can see there are some rules here. You can see the competition is open to everyone. Only one entry is allowed. Entries must be in English. Must be fiction. So this one is for fiction writers. Must not exceed 1,200 words. So this one is a themed submission. The theme of the entry is far and wide. So whatever you're writing should revolve around this theme. Okay, so there's an email address that you can use here. You can see prizes of 150. So there are prizes to be won here. Okay, depending on how well you do. Okay, so maybe later on you can go through this properly, and then if you have something you can send in. You can see here deadline is on the 30th of September as well. So that's why I'm bringing this forward also. All right, so try it out. Now this one is Hong Kong. Is a contest hosted by the Hong Kong Baptist University. And if you're watching this, I know that some of you might watch this and say, nah, this is not for me, it's a bit above me. But come on, just get it done. Okay, just apply. What's the worst that could happen? You won't get it, but what if you end up getting it? So this is a fully funded workshop. All right, this one is a workshop for writers. Is international, so they are going to sponsor everything, your trip, accommodation to Hong Kong, if you're able to qualify for this. All right, and it's happening from the 2nd March to 29th March 2026, but applications are currently open. And guys, you can see here applications must be submitted by 7th September. So this is very time sensitive. Okay, so look at this. It's designed for writers in fields such as creative non-fiction, fiction, poetry, drama, and more. So a little bit of here and there, you can do several things. They are hosting like a workshop for writers to commune in Hong Kong, okay, in 2026. And this is something anybody can try to apply for, no matter your niche. Okay, so you know what, just reach out. There is no fee, there is no restriction, you don't have anything to lose. Literally, see, it's fully funded, round trip economy, airfare, accommodation, everything. All right, so check it out. All right, Now another one, the final one that ends in September is this one by Morland Foundation, and this one is 18,000 pounds in scholarship. 18,000, so it's for African writers specifically, and you can see the deadline is on the 19th of September 2025. So it's also time sensitive. Okay, it's a scholarship. They've been around for a long time. Scholars will receive a grant of 18,000 paid monthly over the course of 12 months. So they're paying you over the course of 12 months. Words between 2,000 to 5,000 words. So they have the requirements, they have what they need, and you need to meet up with that. These are the things you need to read up by yourself, see the ones that apply with to you, and then do them and submit. All right, so these four I've just listed, they are very time sensitive. All of them have their deadlines in September, so if you're watching these, you need to apply ASAP. Okay, so now there's another one I have. This one is by Longreads. Okay, this one is by Longreads. It's not fiction. This one is non-fiction. We do not accept fiction for publication. It's non-fiction for writers and journalists around the world, running between 2,000 and 6,000 words. So they've given you what they're about, length, context, everything you need. They've provided here. So when you go through this, you know how much. We pay $350 per reading list. They also have five. I saw $500 somewhere here. Our rate for personal essays is $500. So they have different kinds of writing and different prices attached. So probably when you read this on your own, you'll be able to know the one you fall under and apply. Next up is this one by Elite Personal Finance. This one is for finance writers. So look at it. All people who understand finances can write for us. It doesn't matter where you are. If you understand finances, if you're good with money, credit, loans, cards, all those things, right? You can apply and write for them. This is a cheap way to get $300, an extra $300 for you if you're good with finance. Okay, so look at this. They have their rules: 1,000 to 3,000 words per post. They've given you some accepted topics that you should look into, right? And everything here, you can just read this properly. We pay $300 per post. Yeah, so apply for that if you can. And I think the last one I'll talk about now is this one for Edutopia. So Edutopia is an educational platform, right? They teach people, so they are mostly focused on people who know how to educate. Okay, people who know how to educate. We welcome pitches on all academic subjects and grades from pre-K through 12. Okay, so we are interested in pitches on our core strategies: tech integration, comprehensive assessment, integrated studies, project-based learning, social and emotional learning. So these are topics that are their core focus. So if you can write about these things and how they affect schooling, education, okay, then they want to hear from you. Around 850 to 1,000 words. These are the guidelines. These are the things you need to include. Okay, here are some examples of things they've published: using AI to help organize lesson plans, using board games to teach maths to young students. So you understand the concept of what they want. If it's something you can do, reach out and send an application to them. Yeah, now I have one more, but this one I'm a bit skeptical because this one they have some countries that they don't accept from due to payment limitations. So look at all these countries here. They don't accept submissions from here. But I mean, let me just mention, in case someone is watching and you're not among these countries, you're not from here or you don't stay here, you can also apply. So it's called Funds for Writers. Basically, you're writing about earning a living as a writer. So if you've earned a living, you know a smart way that writers can earn a living. You're expected to write about this and share, post it, send it to them, and they want to publish your work. I think they pay, look at this, $100 for unpublished articles, 25 for reprints. Okay, so you can see this is what they want. They'll pay you via PayPal or Venmo, and if you're great with it, you can reach out and apply. So that's it, guys. I hope that if you got here, you certainly saw something you like. You've seen, I have added the links of all the things I mentioned in my description box, so you can go through them, pick the ones that you think are suitable for you, and then go ahead and apply for them. All right. Remember, when you're applying, apply with speed, be fast, the earlier the better, and follow the guidelines properly to be considered. Thank you so much for staying till the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.